How to add a fade to black effect in CapCut. So what you are going to do is you are going to want to edit a fade to black on the end of your video in CapCut. How we're going to do this is first we're going to go to the end of our video. Then I'm going to click on this video clip. What I am going to do then is I am going to scroll all the way over until I get to animations. Once I get on animations, you can see there is going to be in, out, and combo. This we're going to want to be an outro. And fade to black, we can see a couple of different ones. So you can find out whichever fade to black you would like. Personally, I like
Other connected devices don't.
Blurred fade in.
Other connected devices don't.
So you can see I've added that, and then we click play.